Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the home icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you tap on the home icon, next interface will be directed to banking, and on the banking page you have to tap on Bitcoin. And after you tap on Bitcoin on the other interface, you'll be directed to investing, and from there you have to tap on buy, which is right on top. And then you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on next. And after that, on the last interface there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And then on the last interface you'll be notified that you've successfully purchased Bitcoin on Cash App. So that is how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.